Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the MACFOX X1S 2025 electric bike, a powerful and stylish fat tire e-bike designed for both city commuting and fun weekend rides. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price. The MACFOX X1S packs a 750W high-torque motor, offering quick acceleration and smooth power delivery with a top speed of 25 miles per hour. Its 38-mile range on Pal 1 and removable lithium battery make it perfect for daily commutes, errands, or leisure rides without constant recharging. Whether you're riding through city streets or uneven trails, this bike delivers dependable performance and comfort. Equipped with 20 inches X4 fat tires, the X1S handles various terrains: pavement, gravel, grass, or light off-road with stability and grip. The wide tires combined with front suspension absorb shocks efficiently, providing a smooth, controlled ride even on bumpy surfaces. The step-over frame and ergonomic saddle make it comfortable for long rides, while the dual disc brakes ensure solid stopping power and safety at higher speeds. The modern design stands out sleek, minimal, and practical. It's ideal for city commuters, school rides, or anyone looking for a dependable e-bike that's both fun and efficient. With easy controls and a responsive pedal assist system, you can switch between full electric and assisted modes depending on your riding needs. Final verdict. The MACFOX X1S 2025 electric bike is a great all-around performer that combines power, comfort, and versatility. With its 750W motor, 25 miles per hour top speed, and fat tire stability, it's perfect for riders who want reliability for daily use and excitement for weekend adventures. Check the link below now to get the latest deal on the MACFOX X1S before the discount ends.